We at Lordhair are sometimes asked why we have so many different ways of attaching hair to the base of a system. There are really so many that it can get confusing sometimes, but really the method that we use to attach the hair to the base of the system is one of the main aspects that determines the look and the lifespan of the system. In the way of knots, we offer 4 different types of knots: single knots, single split knots, double knots, and double split knots. Single knots are very small, but they are not very strong. So although they're sometimes used at the very front parts of systems, we tend to try to avoid them because a system with single knots would deteriorate too quickly. Single split knots are something that we use more often. They are a little bit larger and definitely a lot stronger than single knots. Double knots are a lot larger than single and single split knots, and we tend not to use them except for at the very top of systems where they can be totally hidden, and even then they're sometimes too big to use. Double split knots are kind of in between double knots and single split knots in strength and size, so they are sometimes a good option to have on the top of a hair system. Other than knots, we also offer hair attached to the base of skin systems using the V-loop method. What this allows us to do is it allows us to attach hair to the base without actually having to have any knots at all. This is also great because it allows you to brush the hair in whichever direction you choose. Similar to this, for skin systems, we have flat and lift injected skin systems. The process involved in this is we actually just inject hair directly into a skin system, and it really creates the appearance that the hair is growing directly out of your scalp. One of the downsides of flat injected systems are that you are not able to comb the hair in any direction. The skin on injected systems has to be thicker than the skin on V-looped systems as well. Now, if you're interested in anything pertaining to our knotting methods or anything else having to do with our hair system manufacturing process, you can contact our customer support at support@lordhair.com, or you can visit our website at www.lordhair.com.
Lordhair, for a better you.